Okay, 2 more seams and we're done, and we have our own crafted market tote. So just to look at the last 2 seams that you're gonna do, you are going to look at these corners, and this is how we make a box bottom. So this may look crazy, but this is how it works. So you are going to take the 2 sewn edges and you're gonna pull them apart like this, right? So I'm pulling that out like this, and I'm matching up those corners. Do you see do you see this? So I'm taking that square and I'm making it flat, right? Like that. And when you do this, one seam will naturally fold to one side and the other will fold in the opposite side. And you are going to pin this. That's not a good pin. Let me use this one. You're going to pin this, and this will take a second to get in there because this is heavier fabric, right? So you are going to pin this, and you are going to sew 1/2 inch seam allowance, or a lot of people use 5/8, either one will work. 1/2 inch seam allowance straight across there. Just zoom right across that. The exact same thing over here. Going to take the 2 corners, pull them apart. When I pull them apart, I'm going to match that seam. They kind of nest. See how they kind of nest? They kind of nest with each other. And you're going to have to mess with, wrestle the fabric a little bit. And then you are going to pin it to where that's an even flat seam. Okay? Even flat seam. And you can do, you can put a bunch of pins in, but I only use a couple, right? And you're gonna sew there. So these are the last 2 seams you're gonna sew, okay? Come back for more.